Welcome, I'm Chef Robert Irvine. Chiefs fans, how do you game day? Today, a Kansas City staple, Kansas City style strip steak. All right, so I'm gonna teach you something that's really cool today, and you've probably never even heard of it. I'm gonna teach you today something called a reverse sear. But we're gonna take our steaks, season the steaks nice, salt and pepper, 3 fingers, seasoning, turn them over. Now here's where it gets interesting. The key to the reverse sear is cooking it in the oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. Then we're gonna bring it out, heat up the pan, and sear it in the pan to finish it, give me that golden brown crust. I'm gonna do some scallions in the pan, I'll show you that. And I'm gonna do some roasted asparagus. I'm gonna add some oil to a pan. In go the scallions, in goes my asparagus. Then a little butter. And I'm just looking for a char and to make sure that they're cooked. Okay, while that's happening, I'm gonna go back, take the steak out of the oven. So here's our steak. Pretty simple, we got our vegetables going over there. Refreshing, beautiful. I just want to keep moving this around. The steak is not going to overcook. This is where the reverse sear happens. I'm going to heat the pan up with no oil. For this particular thing, I want the pan to be warm first. Why? Because the minute the oil hits, it will smoke. I'll put the steak in, it will go golden brown, and you will look like a superstar in front of all your guests. Dab the steak off so it's almost dry. Why? Because when it hits the pan, I want that golden brown. Now look at this. Oh, look at that, golden brown, texture like sun. What I want to do is rest it on a board. Now while that's resting, I'm going to take my vegetables and I'm going to put them onto the plate. And now I'm going to cut the steaks. You see how easy that knife goes through? Helps to have a sharp knife. Beautiful medium rare, nice golden brown color, vegetables underneath. So there you have it, an amazing Kansas City strip loin that goes beautifully with my new Coke Zero Sugar, brand new formula, in beautiful new red packaging. Make sure that you get one for yourself next time you're at Hy-Vee, when you get all these great ingredients. Don't forget, come back for more recipes this tailgate season, right here. See you soon.